Okay, so for those people who want to redo the math test, I'm going to just go over some of the answers with you. And what I want you to do at home is I want you to write down these answers and to complete the problems. You bring that back into me and I'll give you a new test. Okay? So you must do this video in order to redo the test. It says to draw a hexagon. So I'm drawing a hexagon going here, going here, going here, going here, going here, then I'm closing it here. A hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. I need to know how to use triangles to prove the sum of a hexagon's interior angles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my point, and I have a triangle here, that's 180. 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 That's 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. If I add up all of those triangles together, it will give me the total sum of interior angles of a hexagon. So I can go 180 times 4 equals my answer. Okay? You have to finish this answer and bring it back. Next, let's find the missing angle of a polygon. So let's say I have a triangle here. Okay? Let's say that they gave me one of those angles. Let's say they gave me this one, and they said it was 30 degrees. But we had to figure out this one, and we had to figure out this one. We don't know what those are. The first thing I have to think is a triangle, when I add up all the angles, they equal what? If you said 180 degrees, you are right. So I'm going to start with 180. That's my total. That's all of them added together. They gave me this angle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 0, 7, 6, 5, then 1 here. 150. Now, this angle plus this angle equals 150. I now need to figure out how to get these two angles. Well, since there's 2 of them, I'm going to divide them by 2. So I'm going to say 150 divided by 2. Okay? 2 times 7 equals 14. I have 10 left. Now you must finish the rest of the problem. So next, let's find the radius of a circle and also label the parts. Okay? Here's my really big circle. There's a line that goes from this point all the way over to the other end. That is called the diameter. Okay? The distance around the whole circle is called the circumference. Okay? Half of a circle is called the radius. It's called the radius. So now, let's try to figure out what the radius is if they just give us the diameter. Okay, so we have a circle here. The diameter is 10. We gotta figure out what the radius is. We know that the radius is half. So from the center to any point in the circle, the center to any point, is always going to be half of the diameter. So 1/2 of 10 equals 5. R equals 5, okay? Because the radius is 1/2 times the diameter, okay? So 1/2 times 10 equals 5. So let's say you have a circle with a diameter of 16. You need to figure out what the radius is, and then write that onto your paper and bring it to me. Bring me those 3 problems done, and when you bring me those 3 problems, I will give you a new test to complete, and then I will replace that old score. Thank you.